Welcome to the Gorilla video series. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to customize your call sheet using Koala call sheets in Gorilla Studio. This is the third lesson. If you have not seen the first two lessons, it is recommended that you view those before watching this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to go over how to enter quotes on your call sheet and how to add custom lines. When you click on a shoot day in the calendar, you will be taken to the call sheet screen. You will notice that there is a quote up here on the right-hand side of the screen. This quote will be printed on the call sheet as a quote of the day. If you go to another shoot day, the quote will change. You can, of course, specify the quote on the call sheet. To do this, click on the Create New Quote button. You can scroll through the many famous quotes, change the label of the quote. By default, it shows Thought of the Day. Or click Show All to see all the quote categories. To enter a custom quote, select the Custom Quotes category and enter a quote. Then select it. Quotes will appear on the top of a call sheet to inspire cast and crew for the day. Next, I will show you how to enter custom lines on your call sheet. Click on the Customize Call Sheet tab. You can enter anything here with a category and lines below it. For example, let's add radio channels for our crew for walkie-talkies. I'm going to click the plus button here to add a new category and call it Radio Channels. I will select 5 columns and click OK. Down here, I will select the Add Custom Line button. Channel 1 will be for emergency services, so I will enter Nurse/Medic. 2 will be the Assistant Director channel, since they are on their walkie-talkies all the time. 3 will be Locations. 4 will be Security. And I will continue to enter a different radio channel for all the key departments that need them, and will add lines here as needed. Okay, so let's see what this looks like on the call sheet. Here, you could see the radio channels entry. And looking at it here, I realized that I could probably squeeze all these entries into 6 columns, as there is some room here between the columns. So I will go back to the Customize Call Sheet tab and change the column entry to 6 columns. I will cut and paste these 2 entries and place them on the first 2 lines and delete the last row. By the way, these numbers here indicate where the lines will appear in the call sheet. So if I want to add a new line here between these 2 lines, I would add a line, then change the sort number appropriately. And now the radio channels entry fits nicely on 2 lines instead of 3. Let me add another custom header and appropriate lines. To do this, click here, New Custom Header. I'll call this Transport and assign it 6 columns. To toggle between the 2 custom headers, select the name of the header here. I will add 3 lines here and fill in this information with whatever I need to be printed on the call sheet. And let's see what this looks like. Next, let's say you wanted to change the order of the custom headers and wanted transport to appear before radio channels. This here is the sort number for the custom header. If you click on the name of the header, you can modify the sort numbers here. Lastly, if you want to copy a custom header and all attached lines from one shoot day to another, select the day to copy to here. Then go to the shoot day. Select the Customize Call Sheet tab and check the new entries. If you modify the entries here for this shoot day, they will not modify the custom headers from the shoot day they were copied from. That wraps up this lesson. Have a great shoot.